Alright, Brian here at 427 small block 4. Gear description of this combination. It's got set of our CNC heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock air gap, custom grind hydraulic roller, rear sump oil pan, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Already 3,300, it's 543 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 545, really good and flat down in there. Peak horsepower 523, rated at 520, so everything's good. Hold your mouth, pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. I'll show you a couple other things. See, we're in to find the single Lookstar credit card, USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff, so how to recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need something from us, the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got this QR code. There again, that'll take you to some more tech stuff. So recommend watch all this. Have a great day.